very important feature. It is very important for foreigners particularly like we are from different countries, and while visiting different places, actually this toilet and washrooms, we usually see some kind of, for example, dirt is there or they're not clean. So let's see, let's come inside, and you can see the signs are here, women and men, they all can go. So I'm just going inside. So now Navi, please come and show our audience number one, this one. As I showed you earlier that I have to change my shoes while, for example, I was entering. So now I have to change my shoes here as well. So now Navi, please come inside, and now please show our audience. You know that it's a latest commode, and everything is they're using technology, and the one aspect, and they are having every kind of facilities. You can see even sanitizers is there, hand wash is there, you can see toilet tissues. The very important thing which I wanted to show my audience is the cleanliness. Japan is such a clean country, and if you search the list of clean countries in the world, you will see Japan is also among maybe safest, cleanest countries in the world. Now, please, can you show? Just imagine that many people are using this place, but it is such a neat and clean because they have provided everything, and now they're taking care of it. Now coming toward the next portion, which is a washroom. So let me show you the how clean the washroom is. So please let me come. And the very important thing is COVID-19. So they have placed sanitizers everywhere. Sanitizers are there. So you can see it's a washroom. So lights are really on. So now you can see here that every kind of facilities available. Tissue paper is there, hair dryer is also there, sanitizers, hand washers, so hand soap is also there. So now coming toward inside, towels are there. So now let's come inside, and you can see how big this toilet is, this washroom is. You can see like this is the hanger. So, and this place actually, that is what I wanted to show, that every kind of facility is available, conditioner is available, shampoo is available, even body soap is available, and particularly, I'm not quite sure about my audience countries, but in my country, like my country, certain hotels, they are having cold and hot water, but their mix-up is very complex one. So sometimes we are just pressing and we don't even know that now it's hot, it's too cold, but they are using latest technology, and the level of adjustment is quite good because I have used this. Now you can also see that even hot water is available. So, and cleanliness, again, the very important aspect of Japanese society. So I hope our audience would have liked all these things. So after using this, tomorrow we will also finally share our reviews as well, feedback as well about this hotel and particularly. So see you tomorrow.